Welcome back, fuckers, to another video. Today is the day I'm gonna go ahead and drive my car and show you guys the tune after 3 whole weeks. Like it was just way too long, but let me show you guys today. Now today we are going to be going through a couple different things. Also, I saw that in the comment section you guys were enraged about the vents. The vents were white, and I have a reason for that. You know, me and my girlfriend were talking about it, and we're like, the hood's black. Like, if I paint them black, you're not gonna see the grill. It's just not gonna make like a huge contrast, and I like things to be noticeable, right? But I guess that super backfired, because with the yellow hood and everything on, the white was so off. It was not even cool. And as soon as I posted the picture, I was like, this is definitely gonna get some notice, okay, and not a good kind. So as I posted on Instagram and on YouTube, all of you guys all over, paint the damn vents. Well, here it is. There are the vents. We painted in the black. We're about to go ahead and install them so that we can go ahead and take out the G35 and show you guys the tune and how the car performs and everything about that, the whole shebang. So okay, so I don't know if you guys can see, I have just the essentials right here. I still haven't found I still haven't bought anything to mount it on. I know there's a bracket that you can buy, maybe like Home Depot or something, and like put it in the back there and have these mounted on there. But I still have to find a way to do that right now. I haven't put too much time into that, not gonna lie. Alright guys, I just took it out in the sun. Check it out. Tell me if you like the black vents more. Now it actually matches. Should probably push it down a little bit. It was popping up like it was pregnant or something. There you guys go. The G's looking good, man. We're gonna go ahead and take it out and see what it does. By the way, guys, I do want to say a huge thank you to you guys for reaching 12,000 followers with the G and I. It's been amazing. Thank you guys so much. I'm excited for what's ahead in the future, and all I can say is thank you, man. You guys are the best. Let's go ahead and take out the G for a spin and show you guys what it does on the tune. We're gonna go on the freeway because there's this lane that I want to show you guys that's pretty free, pretty safe, and I'm gonna show you guys there's some like pops, and I'm gonna do the anti-rolly lag on the freeway, see if that shows up on there. Right now we're on the performance map, we're on map 1, and when we get to that lane, I'm gonna pop it into map 2 so I can do some more pops there, because for those you really want to be in the higher revs over here to like 4K and up to make it pop. And it's usually better when you're like on second gear or something. So like on the freeway, you're not gonna be driving in second gear too much. So we're gonna do that over there on the street. But for right now, let's get to the place and let's try out the lag thing. And at the same time, I'm gonna show you guys the pool, because with the anti-rolly lag, you are obviously setting up yourself for a pool. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. It should be fun. It should be my first time. So if I fail, we'll try to get it to work the second time. But I was looking on Aaron Newman's. I'm pretty sure you guys follow him on Aaron Newman, his channel on his G35, which he's boosting, by the way, so congratulations. Also to my boy I was gonna say Stradman, Static Martin. He's about to boost his G35 too, so that's freaking amazing. Congrats to them. But also I was learning from him that the oil temp, if it's too high, it will not activate it. So right now we're just starting out the car, so the temp should be fine. Oh my god, yo, you guys saw that? That was a small pool already right there. Look at that. Oh my god, dude, the car pool is so much better, dude. I'm sorry guys, I have no dyno numbers for you guys. I'm super upset about that part, but I'm telling you, the Bud dyno, it got freaking, woo! It's way better, yo. Like, the weight, when you're on second gear and you're around like 4.5, 5, dude, holy shit. It is so freaking amazing, bro. So amazing. We're gonna go ahead and drop it to third gear over here when we take this curve. Try the anti-rolling lag and see how it goes. But holy, you guys just saw, I didn't even plan that, bro. I didn't even plan that. It's so amazing. Yeah, oh my god. Hold up. We're gonna go ahead and try this out right here. We're 3.5, 4. We're gonna hold cancel. Old cancel. Okay, that was a pull. Didn't work, but holy shit! But we got a good pull though. Woo! Oh my god! I don't know if the performance and the heat wave map. Let me turn this up real quick. I don't know if the performance and the heat wave map both have the same performance or not. I'm pretty sure the performance should have a little bit more, hence it's called the performance map. But honestly, I feel it pull pretty, like both maps made the car pull even harder than how it was before. The performance one, I do want to say it pulls a little bit harder, but man, dude, this thing didn't work. I told you guys I was gonna fail, bro. Let me see if this works. Nope, that didn't work. Nope, that didn't work either. Okay, we're gonna have to research it a little bit more on how that thing works, but man, I can't get that to work. Ah, damn it, bro. I got freaking blocked by cars here. Tuner told me that all the arc features are activated, so we should have it. I don't know if I had to click like something in the ROM editor to activate it or something. We're gonna have to ask her and check it out. But man, I was excited for that, man. I haven't tried it. I was excited for that. We're about to switch it to the popping map. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Give you guys a little pull right here. You guys ever come across these lights where like there's no cars rolling on the other side, but it's still green for them, and you get the red light and it's like, look, it's packed now. Great, thank you, light, thank you. Oh my god, you see it still pulls in heat wave map. It probably pulls more in the performance one, but man, I'm still satisfied. We're gonna do third gear pops. You guys hear that? Intake too? Oh my god. Yeah, this truck is still on my ass. Like, what is he trying to race or what? What is he trying to do? Damn. Oh my god, brothers and ladies. I said brothers and ladies. Oh my god, that hair. Oh my god. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what America's about. Oh shit. I'm feathering it, and as soon as I touch it, it freaking pops, bro. Oh my god, dude, that sounds so good. Oh my god. Okay, see if we can do this heat cancel shit. Oh my god. We got it here. Let's do third gear, I guess. Above 3 RPM. Right there. We got it steady. Hold cruise control, slam it. No, it didn't work. Nope, not working. I'm pretty sure it's not activated. I'm pretty sure it's not activated. Nope. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's not activated, but man, it pops. Let's get on the performance map and get some pulls. I know you guys want to see some flames, and trust me, I want to see some freaking flames too, but we're gonna go ahead and find that out next video. Right now it's running daylight. We're gonna show you guys that nighttime for next video, and I already shot another video. I'm gonna show you guys that Next video, man, it was a banger, dude. You guys need to check that out. I'm about to upload it maybe in like 2 days or something. Dude, I'm telling you, when this car pulls, bro, it pulls. And I want to say most of that pull came from the freaking intake, bro. The admin intake, bro. That thing sucks air more than your ex-girlfriend. Sometimes I lie about my stuff. When I got my Plenum Spacer, I'm not going to say I lied about it. I did feel a pull. I may have exaggerated it, but I still did feel a pull. But I was excited about it because it was a little bit faster, right? But with this, yo, I cannot even lie to you guys. I cannot. It pulls so much better. Now, it's kind of hard to tell how fast I'm going because, you know, it's kind of free. You could only feel it, right? But, I mean, some cases you can see it, but those are with boosted cars because they're going stupid fast. But let's just see right now. Look, we're going to go next to this freaking Ford Focus right here. I'm gonna get next lane. Look, we're gonna go next to him, see? And then I'm gonna pull it to third gear. And then I'm gonna hit it. See how fast we go. Look how fast I passed him. Look how fast I passed him. Look! Oh my God, look how fast that was. Look how fast that was. I'm not even lying to you. Look how fast that was. 1 second we were next to him, the second second we're in Canada, bro. We're in Canada. That's how fast it is. Holy crap. I've driven my G35 the whole time. It's the fastest car I've driven. So with this tune, I'm experiencing something brand new out of the ordinary. Like I was at Disneyland, something just beyond the ordinary. Like it's so amazing to me. Okay, obviously if you're driven faster cars, then this tune is probably not going to be as exciting. I'm sorry to break it to you, but to me and to all the G owners who've never driven something as fast, or man, this thing is the best Christmas gift ever. That's all I gotta say, man. Wow. Pulls way harder on performance, not gonna lie. I just had a little time with the car. It pulls way harder on performance, but the heat wave map is so damn fun, bro. Why wouldn't you want to hear the freaking pops, bro? You guys want to hear more pops or more performance? You guys let me know. You guys want to hear more pops? Is that what you guys said? Okay, let's get some more pops. G37. I think he got triggered. He wants to come catch me up. Look, he's already behind me. What'd I tell you? What'd I tell you? What did I tell you, brother? Oh, he wants it. He's catching up. Oh man, that's crazy. He's beyond crazy. I'm not doing all that. Alright, now we gotta get off the streets before the freaking cops show up. Hopefully my cats aren't destroyed yet. I'm pretty sure they're gonna end up getting destroyed, obviously with the heat wave map and all that. It's gonna end up getting destroyed. Like, it's not even a question of if it is, it's a question of when it's gonna destroy, you know? Once that happens, we're gonna go ahead and get some test pipes, and I do want to get the Motordyne art pipes. I hear those are the best quality ones, and you know, I don't doubt it because everybody gets them, and they're freaking Motordyne. Motordyne's the best, so we might catch that later. Alright guys, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that small little ride with me in the G35 after it's tuned. Next video is going to be a little car meet I went to. I think you guys are really going to enjoy that, and we did some pretty, we went pretty fast on the freeway, man. The fastest I've ever been, so enjoy that. It's going to be next video, freaking awesome video. And then after that, we're going to see if the G35 shoots flames or not. We're going to find that out shortly. I saw it already. It shot a baby flame from a freaking from a supporter who videoed my car on the meet. Next video I will show you guys. So I'm excited that it does shoot flames, but I want to see not super big ones. Obviously I have high flow cats, but at least some, you know. Thank you guys so much for the support. Thank you guys so much for 12,000 subscribers. You guys are freaking amazing. All of you guys for supporting the channel from the very beginning. I'll catch you guys next video. Stay safe out there. Be safe. Peace out.